Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wahlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Rahmana from Fauji Foundation School, Haripur. Today is my first lecture of class 9th, which is about the subject of Pakistan studies and unit number 2. And today our topic is background of Pakistan resolution or Pakistan movement. The Pakistan movement was a political movement in the first half of the 20th century that aimed for and succeeded in the creation of dominion of Pakistan from the Muslim majority areas of British India. As you know, students, after the failure of War of Independence 1857, the Muslim leaders were constantly thinking how they could provide the Muslims peaceful, secured and honored environment. These important personalities include Sayyid Jamaluddin Afghani, Qaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Allama Muhammad Iqbal, Abdul Jabbar Khairi, Abdul Sattar Khairi, both are brothers. And Chaudhry Rahmat Ali proposed for the partition of subcontinent. Now, the question is, what was Pakistan movement for the Muslims? Or Pakistan resolution for the Muslims. Pakistan resolution was a landmark in the history of Muslims of South Asia. It determined for the Muslims a true goal and their homeland in the northeast and northwest. It gave new energy and courage to the Muslims who gathered around Muhammad Ali Jinnah for the struggle for freedom. Now, background of the Pakistan resolution. There are so many reasons behind this. Muslims passed this resolution. First one is War of Independence 1857. Second is bloodshed of the Muslims. Third one is less status of the Muslims. As you know that Muslims could not lead their dignified and graceful life in Hindu society because Hindus believe in caste and creed system, and Hindus could not agree to give the Muslims equal status in the society. Another important reason is Hindus' attempts to wipe out the civilization of the Muslims. Not only civilization but their language, culture and most important their religion. Another important question is, what was the main objective of the creation of Pakistan? The main objective of the creation of Pakistan was to establish a free Islamic society having its own identity and government and to practice its own social principles and religion. Now, Pakistan Resolution 1940. When and where Pakistan Resolution 1940 was presented or passed. The 27th annual session of the All India Muslim League was held in Lahore in the historical Minto Park. Now it is called Iqbal Park. On 23rd March 1940. This session was presented by Qaid-e-Azam. In his presidential address, Qaid-e-Azam identified the directions for the struggle of the Muslims. Many great personalities like Maulana Zafar Ali Khan, Chaudhry Khaliquzzaman, Qazi Muhammad Isa, Sir Abdullah Haroon, Sardar Abdul Rab Nishtar and Maulana Abdul Hamid Badayuni were present in this session. A large number of the Muslims from all over the subcontinent participated in this session, and a resolution named Lahore Resolution was passed unanimously, and it was presented by Tiger of Bengal, A.K. Fazlul Haq. In his presidential address, Qaid-e-Azam said that Muslims are a separate nation because their customs, traditions, civilization, culture and religion is different from Hindus. Qaid-e-Azam also said British India is a subcontinent. It is not a country or homeland of a nation. Many nations are living here and their interests are separate from each other. After that, Qaid-e-Azam gave the examples of different countries. In his address, he said the demand of the Muslims for a separate country is not unhistorical. Ireland got freedom from England, and Spain and Portugal became separate states. Now, what is the text of the resolution? No constitutional plan would be workable or acceptable to the Muslims unless geographical contiguous units are demarcated into regions as necessary. Contiguous units mean connected areas, means Muslim majority areas could be separated from the Hindu majority areas. Now, what was the conclusion of the resolution? The All India Muslim League resolution of March 1940, commonly known as Pakistan Resolution, is undoubtedly the important event that changed the course of Indian history and left a deep impact on the world history. With the passage of time, Muslims of subcontinent changed their demand from separate electorate to separate state. Means Muslim demand was totally changed now. This resolution rejected the idea of united India and the creation of an independent state set as their ultimate goal of the Muslims. Now, another main thing is, what was the reaction of Hindus and the British? The Hindus' reaction was, of course, quick, bitter, and malicious. They began to express their views against the resolution. They called the Pakistan demand anti-national. Gandhi and the Hindus opposed this resolution. The All India Muslim League named this resolution as Lahore Resolution, but the Hindu press ridiculously began to write it as Pakistan Resolution. The Muslim leaders adopted the new term, and today it is called Pakistan Resolution. Now, what was the British reaction? The British were equally hostile to the Muslims' demand. The British press called this resolution Pakistan of Jinnah. So, this is the important point, that after this resolution, Muslims demand a separate nation where they live their life according to their religion, means Islam. Now, your home task is summarize the background of Pakistan resolution, highlight the main points of Qaid-e-Azam address, and reaction of the Hindus. Thank you so much and have a good day.